Welcome back to Unsolved TV, the channel where we explore the world's greatest mysteries, unexplained events, forgotten legends, and controversial theories. If you enjoy uncovering mysteries that challenge everything we think we know about our world, make sure to like this video, subscribe to Unsolved TV, and turn on notifications so you never miss an investigation. Imagine for a moment that one of the most fundamental things you've ever been taught is wrong. Not a small detail, not a historical date, but the very shape of the world beneath your feet. For centuries, humanity has understood that the Earth is a globe, a sphere floating through space, orbiting the Sun. The evidence appears overwhelming. Photographs from space, satellite communications, global navigation systems, and centuries of scientific observations. Yet despite all of this, a movement exists that challenges the accepted view. A movement whose followers believe the Earth is not a globe at all, but a vast flat plane. A theory that has sparked heated debate, internet battles, and countless documentaries. Tonight, we investigate one of the most controversial beliefs of the modern era: the flat Earth theory. What do its supporters believe? Where did the theory come from? And why has it gained followers in an age of advanced science and space exploration? The story begins thousands of years ago. Long before satellites. Long before telescopes. Long before humanity had the ability to leave the Earth and look back upon it. Many ancient civilizations viewed the world as flat. The Babylonians imagined the Earth as a flat disk surrounded by water. Similar ideas appeared in various cultures throughout history. This wasn't because ancient people were foolish. They were simply interpreting the world using the tools and observations available to them. Standing on the ground, the Earth appears flat. The horizon looks level. And without advanced instruments, it can be difficult to perceive the planet's immense curvature. As human knowledge advanced, however, new evidence began to emerge. More than 2,000 years ago, the ancient Greeks made remarkable discoveries. One of the most famous came from a scholar named Eratosthenes. By observing shadows cast in different locations, he calculated the Earth's circumference with surprising accuracy. His work provided powerful evidence that the Earth was spherical. Over time, additional observations reinforced this conclusion. Ships disappeared hull first over the horizon. Different stars became visible depending on latitude. Lunar eclipses consistently revealed a curved shadow cast by the Earth. For centuries, the scientific understanding of a spherical Earth continued to strengthen. Yet the flat Earth theory never completely disappeared. In the 19th century, an English inventor named Samuel Robotham became one of its most influential advocates. Using a pseudonym, he published works arguing that the Earth was flat and stationary. He claimed that observations supporting a globe Earth had been misunderstood. His writings attracted followers and eventually inspired the creation of flat Earth organizations. Although the theory remained on the fringes of society, it survived. Then came the internet. And everything changed. Online platforms allowed people with unconventional beliefs to connect more easily than ever before. Videos, forums, and social media groups helped introduce flat Earth ideas to new audiences around the world. By the early 21st century, the movement had experienced an unexpected revival. So what exactly do flat Earth supporters believe? While different groups hold different views, several core ideas appear repeatedly. Many flat Earthers describe the Earth as a giant disk. According to this model, the North Pole sits at the center. Antarctica forms a massive ice wall around the edge. Some claim this ice wall prevents oceans from flowing off the world. Others believe the Sun and Moon move in circular paths above the Earth's surface. Perhaps the most controversial aspect of the theory involves claims of a global conspiracy. Many flat Earth proponents argue that governments, scientists, and space agencies have deliberately concealed the true shape of the Earth. Organizations such as NASA are frequently accused of manipulating images and information. According to these claims, photographs of Earth from space are fabricated. Supporters often point to what they view as inconsistencies in official explanations. Skeptics, however, argue that such a conspiracy would require the cooperation of millions of people across multiple nations and generations. A deception on a scale unlike anything in human history. One of the most common arguments presented by flat Earth supporters concerns the horizon. They argue that because the horizon appears flat, the Earth itself must be flat. Scientists respond by explaining that Earth's curvature is extremely gradual. The planet is so large that its curvature is difficult to perceive at ground level. Another frequently cited argument involves water. Flat Earth advocates often claim that water naturally finds its level and therefore cannot exist on a curved surface. Scientists counter that gravity pulls water toward the Earth's center, allowing oceans to conform naturally to the planet's shape. Flat Earth supporters have also questioned images captured from space. Some argue that photographs released by space agencies contain inconsistencies. Others claim that all space exploration is fabricated. Yet critics point out that independent space agencies exist around the world. Private companies launch satellites. And millions of people rely daily on technologies that function because our understanding of Earth's shape is accurate. Perhaps one of the most fascinating aspects of the Flat Earth movement is how often its members attempt experiments. Over the years, various supporters have conducted observations involving lasers, cameras, and telescopes. In several documented cases, the results actually supported the Earth's curvature rather than disproving it. One well-known example involved a Flat Earth documentary in which participants attempted to prove the Earth was flat using precision equipment. Instead, their own measurements appeared consistent with a spherical Earth. The moment became widely discussed and remains a popular example among critics of the movement. Yet despite these setbacks, belief persists. And this raises an important question. Why? Why do people continue to embrace flat Earth ideas despite overwhelming scientific evidence supporting a globe Earth? Psychologists and sociologists have proposed several explanations. Some suggest the movement appeals to individuals who distrust institutions and authority figures. Others argue that it provides a sense of community and belonging. There is also the appeal of possessing hidden knowledge. The feeling that one has discovered a truth hidden from the rest of society. Such motivations are not unique to the Flat Earth movement. They appear throughout history in various conspiracy theories and alternative belief systems. For many participants, the movement is about more than the shape of the Earth. It represents a broader skepticism toward governments, corporations, and established institutions. Today, the Flat Earth theory remains one of the most recognizable conspiracy theories in the world. Its supporters continue to organize conferences, produce content online, and challenge mainstream scientific views. Meanwhile, scientists, educators, and skeptics continue presenting evidence supporting the globe model. The debate itself reveals something fascinating about human nature. Our desire to question, to investigate, to challenge assumptions. These qualities have driven scientific discovery throughout history. But they can also lead people toward conclusions unsupported by evidence. The story of the Flat Earth theory is ultimately not just about the shape of our planet. It is about belief, trust, evidence, and humanity's endless search for truth. So is the Earth flat? The overwhelming scientific evidence says no. Observations from astronomy, physics, navigation, space exploration, and countless independent measurements all support the conclusion that Earth is an oblate spheroid. Yet the Flat Earth movement continues. A reminder that even in an age of advanced technology, mysteries, controversies, and alternative beliefs remain a powerful force. What do you think? Why has the Flat Earth theory attracted followers in the modern world? Is it simply a misunderstanding of science? Or does it reflect a deeper distrust of institutions and authority? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this investigation, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Unsolved TV, and turn on notifications so you never miss a mystery. Until next time, stay curious, stay questioning, and remember, some mysteries remain unsolved.